Google is so big, and there are so many things to know about it. All of us use Google just for searching as a search engine. But you know that Google has so many extra features that can be useful for you, and you should know about that. So, let us find those hidden tips and tricks about Google. Number 1. If I give you a random number to you, like 962456324 or 789456214, and then I ask you to pronounce them in English, then it may be difficult for you to count between crores, lakhs, thousands and so on, and you will confuse between those numbers. And it will take too much time to count like units, tens, hundred, thousands and so on. But Google makes that easy for you in just a second. Just type that number in Google search bar like 987654321 and write equal to English after that number, and Google will find how to pronounce that number. Tip number 2. If you like to watch movies online, and you search for that in Google again and again, you may always get spam links. But let me tell you that you can download or watch any old or new movie with a single click. Yes, this is possible with Google. You just must go to Google and enter the movie name, which you want to watch, and add Google Drive next to that movie name. Then the result is yours. If anyone has uploaded that movie on Google Drive, then you will get the movie without clicking on spam links. Tip number 3. The address bar that is in Google Chrome works as a search slag, can be used for many other things. You can use them as a calculator. Google Chrome browser has its own inbuilt calculator. Let's find the values of pi 22/7. You will get answer just below that without searching. Let find 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. You can see the answer easily. Anything let take a little big equation, like 7 plus 8-9 asterisk 2/3. See, it's 9. Tip number 4. Do you know the Google Chrome browser also acts as a media player for you? If there is no media player in your computer that supports audio or videos or PDF file, then you can use the Chrome browser to play it. So, pick any media player you want to play, and simply drag that in Google search bar and leave it. Then that audio or video starts. The news came a few years back. A student study. Next trick is you can create a direct shortcut of any website to your desktop. You just must open that website of which you want to create a shortcut. Then go to the 3-dotted option on the right side, then go to More Tools, and there you get the option to create shortcut. Click on it, and that will be added to your desktop, and the next time whenever you want to go to that website, you can get into that in just one click. Tip number 6. It's just a fun trick for you. You may have played a dinosaur game in Google when you are offline and tried to score more and more in that game. But to tell you, there was a hidden Google dinosaur game, T-Rex game, now can be played online for free, which will play automatically for you without your control, and goes up to infinity. It's totally controlled by bots. So don't forget to try. You just have to search for Google dinosaur game, and in the second option, you get that game, and then after entering into that you must activate bot. Tip number 7. There are many similar hidden, fun games in the Google, like Google Underwater, Google Gravity, Google Pac-Man, Snake Game, Google Guitar, many other for fun. So, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button for the upcoming videos.